Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a highly converting real estate flyer. So first is you have to open your Canva application or open any web browser and then just have to type out canva.com. Then make sure to log in or sign up for an account. Now you just have to use the search bar and then type out real estate flyer and you'd be able to see these different templates that you can actually use, or you can create a blank template. Just click on it. Now right here you just have to simply click on one of these templates. For example, I would like to use this template. So to start, you just have to edit all of the elements that is in here. Now let's go to the elements and then type out modern house interior and go to the photos, and you'll be able to see your different photos that you can use for free or by subscribing to a pro plan. Okay, so you just have to select all of the images that you think you need for your flyer. Just have to drag it and replace some of the images that is here on the template. Now if you would like to change the main image, just have to click on it and then just simply use the search bar and type out modern house or anything. Okay, so you just have to go to the photos, and right here you just have to select the best photo for your flyer. Okay, so see for example this one, you just have to drag it or click that photo and it will be added right here automatically. Okay, so now that we have the photos that we need, we can actually resize this photo. So you just have to drag it and then adjust the size of this photo. And if you would like to utilize the available elements from the template, is you can simply click on it and then duplicate that specific element, and then you can drag it anywhere. So you can duplicate a specific element as much as you want. Okay, and then just have to place it accordingly. So let me just add more elements for this section. So you can tilt or change the direction of that specific element as well as the size. Okay, and then later on we'll be talking about the font, the color of this template. So let me just send this element to the back. Just have to click in that position and then click on the to back option. Okay, so now let me just arrange this once again. So just click on position and then click on to back, and then that element will be sent to the back. Okay, to make the main photo or image visible as possible. Now you just have to highlight everything, and then you would like to change the color, so just have to click on the color and then select the color that you think is the best for your flyer. Okay, so you just have to go to the style and try to find the best color combination for this flyer. Now let's start editing some of the text right here. So you just have to select and highlight that specific text and then go ahead and change the font style. So for example, I would like to use this one, and then you just have to change the alignment if you would want it to be on the center. So for example, like this. Now you just have to resize it if you don't want it to have that kind of format. If you would like to drag some of the text and put it in the other place, you just have to click and drag it anywhere. Okay, so for example, these elements, I would like it to be at the top left. So just press and hold and drag those elements. Okay, so you can change the text by highlighting, or you can also change the size of this to make it visible. Okay, and then once you're done finalizing your text, you can go ahead and change the color. So let's say I want this to be black, so let's go ahead with the other text as well as for this element. So just go to the color and change the color. Okay, now as you can see, all of these elements are visible. So we are going to highlight some of the elements at the bottom and then go ahead and change some of the color. So for example, I would like to use this color and try to create my own color combinations. You just have to drag this cursor and then find the perfect color for your flyer. Okay, now for the second page, if you would like to add some elements right here or change the color, just click on it and then change the color. And as you can see, now go to the element section and then just type out garage icon. Okay, so you can search different icons right here. Just go to the graphics and then drag the icons that you think is perfect for your flyer. Okay, so just click on this icon right here, then go to the view collection in order for you to view the related icons for this element. Okay, so as you can see at the left side, we've got different icons right here that is related to this first element. So say for example, you would like to use this one, you just have to drag that. So the purpose of the second page is for our property features. So we have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and then modern kitchen, and then garage. So we have to put all of these icons right here at the second page. Okay, so you just have to resize everything, then make sure that you have added all of these property features for your house. Okay, so you just have to find all of these related property features that you have listed in your flyers. Okay, so let me just edit everything right here. Now what you want to do is you have to edit the spacing of the property features text. So just click on the text and then go to the list option. And then now that you're done, you just have to make sure that it has all of the property features text, and then make sure to change it into a list format. Okay, so something like this, and then make sure that the spacing are all correct. So we can adjust the spacing right here. Just have to drag that adjustment bar, then place your property text over here. Okay, so you just have to make sure that you have placed it accordingly. Now we have to make this small as possible or group all of these elements right here. Okay, so you just have to highlight everything, and then you have to resize it one by one in order for you to know the correct sizes of these elements. Okay, now you just have to change the color of these elements. So let me just adjust the sizes and the spacing of these elements. After that, let us change the color one by one. So we'll be starting with the first one. Just click on it and then change the color into this color, and then the rest as well. Okay, and then after that, you would like to highlight everything and then make sure to group them together. Now you just have to click on group, and then you just have to drag it right here and place it under the property features. Okay, now you just have to adjust the spacing. So just click on the spacing icon and then drag that spacing bar accordingly. Okay, and then once you're done, we can now delete the second page since we will not be needing this one anymore. So just click on the pin icon, and then once you're done with your flyer, you can now add a QR code. So just click on this QR code option or icon at the bottom left side of your screen. Here you can add a URL and we'll create a QR code for you to add to your design, so people can scan the QR code to reach the URL. So you just have to type out the URL and you have to generate the code, and then once you're done, you will then just have to click on the save button icon at the top right of your screen and then click on download. Now for the file type, you just have to click on it and then make sure to select the PDF print, and then you just have to click on download. And once you're done, you can now view your flyer or you can simply print it directly. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye!